done yesterday?
Input and output statements, sir.
Yeah, okay. Input output statements.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt for regarding input output statements?
No, sir.
Okay. Input output statement. Yeah. Output statements, we can use point print functions to display output. You already know what is output function. So yeah. To use any value to print, any value to output, that is used print. So print is a output functions. Similar for S1 equal to Python. So print of S1. So this is any kind of information to print output, display your screen. So that is use print. So it is called, we can use print function to display output. So only one output function, that is print in Python from one. Print the same without argument, just prints character lines. Means if you want argument, just print new line characters. New line character means this is print, this is new line characters. After the enter and new line characters. Yeah. So print string hello words, the same. I already teach you na yesterday how you hello word slash n, how to use slash n, slash t. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Form 2 fully completed, sir.
Okay, I've completed. So yeah. Form 3. Okay. By default output values are separated by space. If you want your value is separate space. If we want to guess, if you want, we can specify operator using sep attribute. Sep means separate. So if I value 3, so that is output is gone. Yeah. Yeah. So like this. My laptop is very hang. Yeah. A B C. Say A comma B comma C equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. A comma B comma C equal to 30. If I say print shape operator, print separate operator. So if I not use this, if I not use this, so what is the output? Only without separation. Okay, so sorry, print ABC. So 10 20 30, but I want to separate value. So between 10 20 between comma, I want to separate it. So ACP shape, sorry, SAP shape equal to comma separated. That is right. ABC shape equal to separate comma. Double quotation, single quotation are same. If you want single quotation, this is same result. Same result. And if you want triple comma, same result. So no difference. If you want to only double quotes, single quotes, yeah, single triple quotes. If I say single double quotes, 1 2 3, say 1 2 3, same result, no different. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same this result. Same. If you want any comma, separate, then separate value. Want separate value. This is separate. Any values you are merge this. Got it? From fourth. From fourth, this is the fourth type of print with and attribute. With and attribute means print hello, this is and. Print it value, this is and. So if I want to test, for example, how to start the end value, how to end the value to separate your values. So Python language. Okay. H2. Only this can be used. Which type of? Only integers value. Separated sep sep functions only use integers value, not a string value. And if I say P and D, so what is the output? And with. So H2. Python is a simple, very simple language. So end with comma. The your string end with separate comma. So that is to end operator. Okay. So same string. This is end of line. End operator, end functions, या फिर end attribute is used to your full string to end of the line separated comma, semicolon and colon. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. सविक इसका मतलब ये है कि आप अगर अपनी वैल्यू को सेपरेट करना चाहते हो, तो जब कोई आपकी ये लैंग्वेज है, जैसे आपने कोई स्ट्रिंग पास की, तो आप करना चाहते हो विद एंड से, यानी कि देखो ये क्या करता है आपका सेपरेट, तो क्या करता है आपका इंटीजर वैल्यू में 1 by 1 वैल्यू को स्लाइस में कर देता है, यानी 1 by 1 आपको कोमे में सेपरेट कर देता है। बट ये क्या करता है
हाँ
आपका
सर।
ये वैल्यू क्या करती है आपकी एंड ओनली आपकी जो लास्ट स्ट्रिंग है उसमें पास होता है। फॉर सेम एग्जांपल, दिस एंड प्रिंट ऑफ ए comma b comma c, what is the output? Only same output, the separate only last point, denote the last. Okay Krishna?
हाँ सर।
Okay,
यस सर।
so same hello and grow and cyber security and this. So by default print function and is default, and if you want to default how to output, यानी कि इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप बाय डिफॉल्ट प्रिंट लगाते हो तो सेपरेट एंड से स्टार्ट होता है, और आप अगर एंड देखना चाहते हो तो एंड कहाँ से होता है, तो आप कोमा लगा के देख सकते हो, एंड पे हमेशा पूरी स्ट्रिंग के बाद ही एंड पे जाता है। सो दैट इज मीन्स इफ यू डिफॉल्ट प्रिंट वैल्यू, सो डिफॉल्ट इज enter the last value, so this is same. If you print security, so current object this is denote, यहाँ denote करेगा यहाँ पर, सिक्योरिटी के बाद आपका डिफॉल्ट एंड यहाँ लगता है। सो if I say for print value and go through my code, yeah, hello that is space end of line, crow that is space end of line, and cyber that is space line, and security. If I to check end operator, so denote, so run. Understand? By default is end, by default is print end operator, and I say comma semicolon comma, and I say semicolon comma 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 separated type value. So end of line, end of your codes separated commas. Understand?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir।
Yeah, yeah. So this is output. Hello cross cyber security. And print is also string variables and list. So we can use print statement with string and any number of arguments. So we can use as of as of 25 Python MATS. If I say print all output, So how to get it? This is run the code. Yeah. My PyCharm is very angry me. Yeah. What is this? So s is a variable to assign a string. A is a variable to assign an integer 25 age. age यानी के s name m e name e stands for employee name. E age and s1 s2. s1 okay. E and e name and also this call is e age and s1 and s2. So s2 s1 e name is variable to deny hello, this is called Sunil. Hello Sunil. And your age is e age, so call 25. And you are teaching. S1 is a Python and S2 is a AI, ML and DS. So I will the run code and hello Sunil, your age. Hello Sunil, this is Sunil. So call ename variable and age is 25. So age 25. So call age same. You are teaching Python MDA and I want to add one point. So e address is Saket Delhi. So end is end this side. So comma separate and my address is and call this e address. So address this call and done again. So hello Sunil, your age is 25. My address is Saket Delhi. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is a output. So this is your done input output statements. Any doubt? Input output statements. So input, print.
No, sir.
Okay. Sovic
नहीं सर डाउट नहीं है.
है ना? ओके ठीक है. प्रैक्टिस करते हो ना इसके बाद तुम सोविक?
हाँ सर.
ओके ओके. Krishna, you also practice?
Yes, sir. I am practicing every day, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. This is output statement, input output statement is done, and 7 point is flow control. So shall we start? Flow control.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Operator is done. control. Flow control. Control of your flow, which means water flow model, water to Jharna water flow model, water flow. Step by step, I will show you water is. So, yeah, water flow model. So, flow the model. Control of flow. Control of flow. This is your model. Flow of control. This is for loop, filter, and flow control describe the order in which statement will be executed at runtime. That means flow control. This is flow control, but I want only So this control to follow this type. So that means your control code, your code to how to execute, how to run, how to get your destinations. So मतलब सभी कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप अपने कोड को किस तरह एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो, किस तरह आप उसको कंट्रोल में ला सकते हो कि जैसे इफ एल्स हो गया, फॉर लूप हो गया, बहुत सारे इटरेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, तो आप उनको किस तरह से अपने कोड में यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
So flow control is three types: conditional statements, transfer statements, and iterative statements. Conditional statements means if else, and if else. Transfer statements break pass, and iterative statements for while. So three type of control flow. So first is conditional statements. So conditional statements, first is if. So if condition statement 1 and if condition statement 2, statement 3, 1, 2, 3 statements. So if condition is true, then statements will be executed. For example, statements. So if condition A10, B equal to 20. If A less than B, print A is small. So how to check it? First example, go through this is this program two conditions. For example, this is not satisfied for this A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So C equal to A less than B and print of C. So false, A greater than B, and A less than B is print of C. This is true. This is this condition based only two conditions. If you check two conditions, so use only third variable. And if want to use if, so this point of view. Yeah. If name equal to Sunil. Okay. This condition, if name equal to Sunil, break, so print hello good afternoon. And the print goodbye. Twice print both, because hello good afternoon. So name is Sunil. Name is Sunil, same, and hello good afternoon. So condition satisfied, and I if अगर both conditions are inner if, so condition is both are same. But only I want to print अगर if condition is satisfied, so only hello good afternoon. So how to does it? The same. Enter input name equal to Sunil. Print hello, good morning, and how are you? So same process this program. Input user. So go through command, user command. So enter name Karan. So output is if name is input, enter a name. अगर if name equal to Sunil, so inner if condition true, so hello Sunil, good morning. And if are not Sunil, so print how are you. So Sunil is doesn't match, so how are you. And I so print SUNIL, so print is hello Sunil, good morning, how are you. Both print, because if condition is satisfied, condition is true, so print hello Sunil, good morning. If condition is false, conditions are not satisfied, so output is only print. So agar if I say only demo purpose, this is only how are you. If I say only one condition, if name equal to Sunil, print hello good morning. So if I say Karan, so not output anything else, okay, because condition is false. So loop is break and the conditions break, so terminate the if conditions and output only empty output. If say the output is Sunil, so hello Sunil, good morning. Got it?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And second condition, if else. So if else same conditions, same program. If I say Jake, if name equal to Sunil, So print hello Sunil, good morning. If I say not Sunil, so else. Else is always false part. Only call false part. Print goodbye. So name Karan. Else part is run. Goodbye. Because if is terminate the loop. If condition is false, so else part call else part and print the goodbye. If I say I am coming to Sunil, so enter the hello Sunil Kumar. So if only true condition, else is a false condition. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So अभी समझ में आया ना?
हाँ सर, समझ में आया है।
ओके, बता देना जब नहीं आए तो, और एक्सप्लेन कर
ठीक है
दूंगा,
सर।
हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा। तो if
हाँ सर।
okay, if condition is true, then action first will be executed, otherwise action 2 will be executed. So same condition. Name, input, enter name. If name equal to Sunil, print good morning. Else print hello guest, good morning. So same print. Else part of running. If you want to multiple conditions, if I say multiple condition to check, so that is if else. I will show you. So else part is missing. So if I have multiple conditions, if elif name equal to Krishna conditions and print hello Krishna. If you want to call multiple conditions, elif no limit, any condition, any multiple type of conditions you can run it. Elif name equal to so print so, and you want to else part, if you multiple conditions are false, so else part is call. So run again. If Karan name no Karan, Sunil Krishna, sorry, no Karan. So only not come else part. So I print Krishna, sorry, value. Okay, yeah, goodbye. Call it. Enter the name Karan. Karan is not show Karan, so goodbye. And name is Sunil. Goodbye. Why goodbye? Because one space enter. So space. So one tab. So one tab space only empty. So Sunil 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 only else part. So goodbye. But I am not spaces. So only Sunil, this is a call. Hello Sunil, good morning. मैंने क्या किया, देखो सभी समझना, मैंने क्या किया कि अगर मैंने आपको स्पेस नहीं दिया, मैंने स्पेस दे दिया, अब यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है ना, तो स्पेस को वो फॉल्स पार्ट में इंक्लूड कर देगा, सो गेट इट एरर आ जाएगी, एल्स पार्ट को फॉल कर देगा उसमें, बट मुझे एरर ना देके मैंने लिखा कृष्णा, सो गुड बाय, वाई गुड बाय, दिस स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, KRISHNA,
सर के कैपिटल लेटर में है।
कैपिटल या कैपिटल, KRISHNA, कृष्णा, हेलो कृष्णा, QEIK, sorry, so hello sorry, got it,
हाँ सर।
है ना, okay, so to check multiple conditions, if else, if else, if else, and if, so understand conditional statements, multiple
sir.
programs are run. Remaining meeting, you show this my pop-up, you are remaining meeting time 1 minute 22 seconds, so stop this sharing, end the meeting and recontinue, so आप एक बार कनेक्ट वापस कनेक्ट करिए, आप एक बार रिटर्न करिए वापस, है ना,
ठीक है सर।
डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाए, ओके कृष्णा, रिकनेक्ट अगेन मीटिंग,
Okay, sir.
ओके ओके।